During the pandemic, everyone was stuck home. And so work from home jobs was really the thing. And now it's being a bigger thing, right? No one really wants to go back to the office. We like our flexibility. We like the ability to be remote. And I have the perfect solution for you. I know a lot of people were getting into tech, especially during the pandemic. And that was because tech was on the rise. The income that you make from tech is great, and so many things you can learn. However, the downside to that is the amount of time that it would require you to learn the skills that you may need or having the time to carve it out, because tech requires you to have coding knowledge or to learn certain programs and different there's just so many different areas of tech that you can get into, but it does require you to have a certain amount of knowledge in a certain area, and that can take you some time to learn. So today I want to show you something that you can do from home without needing any prior knowledge. Okay, this is something that you can literally start today. So if any of the information I share with you resonates with you or something that you're interested in, I want you to go to my description and I want you to click the link to schedule a discovery call so we can talk about it more and get you started in advancing in this area, okay? And really gaining everything you can from this. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is exactly how you're going to do this. You're going to go to Zillow.com and I want you to click on buy. Once we get to buy, we're going to select the city that we're looking for these homes in. You're going to make sure it's on for sale. You're going to put your maximum amount that you're looking for a home. It can be 100,000, it could be 70,000, it could be 200,000, whatever it is that you want, you're going to put that amount in. For the number of bedroom and bath, it doesn't matter at all. For the home type, I prefer houses. You can do any of these variations that you like, and we're going to search. So once we search, our goal is to scroll down and to find a property that fits potentially the type of homes you're looking for. I personally like distressed homes. I like homes that look like the big bad wolf is going to blow it down in one puff, that have been neglected and abandoned and need a lot of tender loving care. And so this kind of fits, what I'm looking at. It's also boarded up and stuff. So that makes me feel and believe that the inside may be not the best structurally, right? There's a lot of different things you can think of, whatever. But at the end of the day, my goal is to look at this price, right? And I want to contact the seller, right? The homeowner of this home, I want to contact them. And my goal is to negotiate down their ask price. If they're asking for 80, my goal is to ask them if they're willing to come down to 75,000 so that I can put on my 5,000 or whatever the amount is. And so when I bring it to the buyer, I can now package it at 80,000, allowing me to make my 5,000 and allowing the seller to make their 75. See, we are not putting up any money of our own at all. We are leveraging being able to find a home and to match it with the buyer who's looking to purchase this home. And we are making a profit, a commission from doing that sale, from closing that deal, right? This is completely legal, done it a number of times, and people do it all over the place. So I want you to know everything that we're doing and everything that I'm showing you is completely legal, and anyone and everyone can get access to this as well. So we see the price here. Right now, our goal is to find out who owns this home. So I want you to copy this address and we're going to go to propstream.com. You can go to the description box and click the link below to access it a lot faster. And we're going to type in this address and we're going to search it. We're going to get so much information about this property. So we're going to go to details and we're going to narrow in our focus right here on value, because the value is going to help us understand how much this home is valued at. 148,000. But remember, this is what the home looks like, right? Does this look like a home that's valued at 148 right now? No, obviously not, which is why the seller can't ask for that. So that's a great thing, right? Knowing the value can help you understand the price points at which you should be asking for or selling at, right? And there's a number of ways we can do that. And if you want help or need more information or assistance with that, click the description below, schedule a call, and we can talk and go over that in depth. So the second thing we want to focus is the owner, right? The owner here is Roger and Jeanette. And so we want to contact the owners and we want to speak to them directly. We do not want to contact whatever number information is here because it's going to lead us to a real estate agent or to a real estate company, right? It's going to lead us to someone else who doesn't own the home. And we want to speak directly to someone who owns the home because whoever else is selling it is also looking to make a commission and is just going to, change how the deal can go for you or how you can even work the deal. So we want to speak and work directly with the owner. Okay. And so we're going to go here. We're going to click on this mailing address, right? We're going to copy it. And I want you to go to truepeoplesearch.com and we're going to do a reverse address search. So reverse address search is allowing us to find out who these individuals are, right? We want to find out who they are. So here we have a Jeanette Wilson, which looks great. We're going to click on Jeanette and we see that she also goes by Jeanette Wilson Kinklow, right? Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And that matches the name we have here for the owner of this home. So that's great. So what we're going to do is we are going to contact her. We're going to contact her. We're going to speak with her and we're going to let her know that we're interested in putting our house under contract for 30 days, allowing us 30 days to find a buyer to purchase that home. Now, 30 days should be more than enough. Okay, 30 days should be more than enough. And so once the buyer, right, you approach the buyer, they are going to purchase it at that full amount. Once that deal closes, you get your cut, the seller gets their cut, and everyone's going to part ways happily. Okay, so understand everything we're doing here is very simple. You don't need to have any real prior knowledge ahead of time, right? Everything that I explained to you is exactly how it is done, right? It's been done a number of times, completely legal. If you are interested in like everything that I shared, go to my description below, schedule a free 15-minute discovery call so we can talk more and chat and you can get a better understanding how you can get started today from the comfort of your home.